우리 지우 기분이 좋지 않은데요? 네, 지우 기분이 좋지 않아요. 그렇다면 엄마가 책을 읽어줄 거예요. 자, 어디 읽을까요? 어디지요? 어디? Everyone who heard the nightingale sing agreed that it was a wonderful bird. It was decided that the bird should stay at the castle instead of going back to its home in the forest. It was put in a cage and let out twice a day. When it went outside, six servants went with it. 우리 지우 기분이 안 좋은데 웃네. 어디? Each one held a little rope that was around one of the nightingale's legs. 다리. Such a life was not very nice for the little bird. 행복하지 않은 삶이죠. 하하. For many weeks, the nightingale was the only thing that the people of the city talked about. Nightingale, 유명함. Children and the streets were named after it. 이제 이름을 따서 나이팅게일이라는 이름을 따서 막 짓나봐요. A statue of it was put up in the park. 동상도 지어져요. One day, a large box came to the castle. On it was written the nightingale 이라고 써진 박스가 궁전에 도착했대요. The king thought it must be a new book about his wonderful bird. 새 책이라고 생각했대. 새에 써진 책. 새에 대해 써진 책. But when he opened the box, open the box. 우리 쥐 기분이 안 좋아요. 엄마가 뽀뽀해줘도 안 좋아요? He found a little artificial nightingale inside. 가짜 나이팅게일이 들어있었대. 만들어진 거. 상자에 왜 들어있었을까, 지우야? 왜 들어있었을까? 왜 들어있었을 것 같아, 지우야? 알겠어? 왜 들어있었는지 누가 보낸 걸까, 지우야? 누가 보냈을까? 우리 지우. It was a work of art made to look like the real bird. 좀 새처럼 보인 거래. 작품인가봐. 누가 만들었을까요? Its eyes were pearls. 진주로 눈을 만들었다네. When it was wound up, it sang and moved its wings. 이렇게 감으면은 노래도 하고 움직이나 봐. Around the leg of this bird was a ribbon. 리본이 있었대. On it was a card saying that this nightingale was a present from the king of Japan. 그 책 이야기했던 일본 왕이 보낸 건가 봐. 지우야. 지우 예상했어? 딱 맞췄어? 지우 최고. 내가 맞춤. How very lovely it is, said all the people of the court. Now the two birds will sing together. What a sound that will be. 새가 두 마리가 되겠네요. 새가 두 마리가 될 건가요? 우샤. 지우, 까꿍. 지우, 까꿍. 지우, 까꿍. 지우, 까꿍. 자. But when the two sang together, the music was not lovely. 별로래, 별로. 두 마리 새가 같이 노래하니까. The real bird sang a wild and free kind of song, and the artificial one sang a waltz. 그랬대. The king was very pleased with his new bird. It was much more beautiful than the real nightingale. 진짜 나이팅게일보다 훨씬 예뻤다네. 색깔이 화려하다. 색깔이 하얘서. Soon, Only the new bird was singing for the king. 오, 그 가짜 새만 노래 이제 하다가 No one thought about the real bird anymore. 더 이상 그 진짜 나이팅게일 새는 신경도 안 쓰나 봐. One day, the king decided to hear his real bird sing again, just for a change. 그냥 한번 기분 전환으로 한번 그 진짜 새 노래 들어보려고 했다네, 지우야. He sent his head servant to bring the bird to him, but the nightingale was nowhere in the castle. 오, 없어졌어. 없어졌어, 지우야. No one had seen it fly out of an open window and back to its home in the forest. 오, 돌아간지 아무도 못 봤나 봐. 신경도 안 썼나 봐. 그치? 그치. Everyone thought the nightingale was very bad to have done this. 아, 나쁘다고 생각했대. They said it should have been thankful for its royal home in the castle. 그러니까 사람들은 너 침 흘려. 엄마나. 궁전 좋은 집에 있으면 고마워해야지, 그치? And down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down. 엄마가 실수로 눌러버렸죠. 우리 지유 예쁜 지유. 팔찌기. 기분이 좀 나아졌어? 응? 그만 읽을까? 더 읽을까? 우리 지우 기분이 좀 나아지셨나요? 쭈쭈쭈쭈쭈쭈. 졸리진 않아? 으쌰. 알았어. 읽어줘? 알았어. So, the king had to be content with the song of his artificial bird. 이제 별로야? 그만해? 알았어.